Yo, what's good? Today I'm going to be taking you through one of the best kits that you're going to get your hands on this year. It's my brand new kit, the Utopia multi-kit. I spent a bunch of time crafting this one. It's got some of the cleanest sounds you can get. And yeah, I'm going to cook up with it, man, show you guys what this thing can do. All I know is it's Halloween, so we're going to have to go with some kind of crazy dark beat for this one. So here's the kit right here. I wanted to make it as fresh and unique as possible. So we got these crazy 808s. Annihilate. Probably one of my favorites. I've got a clean sub in there. Got some crazy claps too. Some go-to ones, but some more unique ones. Same with the hi-hat. Alien one's crazy, man. So is that common one, to be fair. Kicks. Open hats. Yeah, this Hans Zimmer one and this ear tickle. Some crazy perks. Yeah, Mass Effect one is sick. Some laser shot. Rim shots. That static one slaps. Now with these risers, man, I've noticed that in a lot of beats, people use the same risers, but I feel like risers can give a beat so much more character if you just use some more unique ones. So that's exactly what I did with these ones, man. Made some crazy unique risers. Some trippy, eerie ones. That paranormal one, man. Crazy distortion in it. And the last thing is the snares. Just a mixture of some old school ones, some new ones. Let's move on to the one-shots. We'll probably end up cooking a melody with these one-shots. Got these crazy basses. Yeah, the short ones, they're kind of almost like 808s, but yeah, more trippy textures. Crazy keys. The shattered one's probably my favorite. Leads. And then the craziest part of this one-shot kit is the accents. So this is probably what's going to give you the most inspiration when you're cooking up with the kit. Just got really weird textures. You can just drag and drop. This one's crazy. And then lastly is these synths. And then last up is these mixer presets. I'll kind of get into these mixer presets whilst we're cooking up. But yeah, if you want to jump on the Utopia multi-kit, then I'll leave a link in the description. If you're on a tight budget, I totally understand. I've also made a free version of this kit as well. Second link if you want to get on the free version. Let's get cooking up, man. I want to start with some keys. So yeah, let's go with my favorite, man. I'm liking this shattered one shot. Some nice bass notes. Bring that across. Add some variation in this second half. That's hard, man. Just repeat that. Okay, now we can get into the mixer presets. So to mess with these, all we gotta do is just drag and drop them. I've included a bunch of stock ones, so if you guys haven't got any crazy plugins, then these will all work perfectly. But if you guys splash out on plugins quite a lot, then I made a whole bunch of these paid ones as well, these third-party ones. So let's go through the stock ones. Trippy echoes. See what this sounds like. It's hard. Let's try euphoric. Boy, got that heat. Gritty as fuck. I think that's more for a lead. Let's try gross, gross, gross. Yeah, that really messes with it. Delay train. I like this delay train one, man. But let's try an accent now. Yeah, that one works. That's hard. Let's pitch it up an octave. Let's try a third-party mixing preset with this accent. Let's try butterfly wings. Warp speed. Yeah, I like this one, man. Warp speed sounds sick. So we got some nice atmospheric vibes. We need something a bit more prominent. So we'll try just add some more keys in to lay with the chords. So yeah, something like that will work nice. I'm just gonna drag the attack up a little bit on it though. Yeah, I'm just gonna copy and paste those keys. That's more like it. And let's just add a bass. Start with the short one. This checkmate one. That's crazy. I want a softer entrance to that bass though. Do the same thing, man. Bring the attack up. There we go. That's crazy, man. Crazy. So let's go with some drums. I want this to be smooth though. I'm feeling like that new jazz kind of bounce. And you know it's serious when we get the headphones out. Drummer Boy one sounds sick. Conjure one sounds sick too. Little delayed clap at the end. And then we'll just bring a subtle clap in, or like snare maybe. Yeah, like yeah, you supernova. And that would work as well, man. 1304. Hi-hat. Start with some like trippy ones. Like that. And then one more. Red Sun. I like this one, man. It's kind of subtle. And we'll just go with the standard yeet bounce for this one. Speed up a little bit. 125. But this alien hi-hat, I just wanted to move about, just add some pancake to it. Yeah, that's hard. Now it's time for the 808s. This condor one, I think that could work. It's nice and like soft, and then we'll come in with a secondary 808, or maybe this 500mm one, and then maybe Racky. But don't ask me what I was thinking when I came up with these names. I just wanted to have fun with this one. And then that Racky one can come in. Don't be afraid to go crazy with the panning on your 808s if it's the supplementary 808s, not the main one, but yeah, these like little fill 808s at the end. Don't be shy to pan these. All right, now we can go back in and just add some more melodic stuff just to spice this up even more. Nothing crazy, just stuff to supplement the main melody, you know. Let's jump back to the Utopia one-shot kit. Start with a lead. Something nice and simple like that one. A very, very simple melody like that, and then I'm gonna slide like the top note just down a whole octave, but a very slow slide. Maybe this second note come up. Yeah, there. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, just fill that out, a little bit of reverb. And then one last thing, just some kind of constant melody that can just run through this whole beat. I think this Halo one could work. Real nice quick up. Yeah, that's kind of nice. Like that, that's it. Offset it with this shift dial. Oh, that's nice actually. That one shot sounds kind of clean, a bit higher. That is the beat. In fact, no, that's not the beat. We're gonna go with some open hats just to seal the deal. This ear tickle one and Scotty. Just make this one real simple. And then just a trippy perk. This cash flow one sounds sick. 1996 sounds cool. And Mass Effect, gotta get that in there as well. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pan it like crazy. Soul bass hard. A little bit of an arrangement. Man, bounce is crazy. crazy beat, 100% from the Utopia kit. Crazy kit, man. I'm super happy with how this one turned out. But yeah, if you want to go check out the Utopia kit for yourself, then hit the first link in the description. You can download it right there, get instant access to it. And during this first week, the first 7 days, there's a launch discount, so you can get the kit a bit cheaper during this first week if you want to snap up a copy for yourself. But if you don't have a crazy budget, then you can get a free version of this kit, trial the kit, see what you think of it by going through the second link in the description. And also, if you're messing with this cook up, then you're really going to enjoy this one right here. I went down to London, just cooked up a whole bunch of crazy beats that are kind of similar to this one, so you'll definitely enjoy that one. For those of you that download the kit, man, you're not going to regret it. I can't wait for you to try this thing out for yourself. Have some fun with it, man, and I'll see you guys in the next one.